my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am bringing you an all-day clean with me. Now, I don't know about you, but I tend to get very overwhelmed with the constant cleaning, cooking, laundry, and the never-ending to-do list. So we're gonna take it room by room in this video and tackle our to-do list together. If you need some cleaning motivation, you're in the right place, and I'm really excited to bring you today's video. So we are starting this video out in my kitchen. This is the heart of the home. This is where clutter happens. This is where everything ends up. And surprisingly, my house was not all that messy. I didn't have a whole lot of deep cleaning to do, just some simple little chores. So I'm gonna start by picking everything up off the counters and doing a couple of dishes.
Come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
So now I'm just gonna go in and empty the trash and wipe down my trash can. Now this is something that I have really tried to maintain ever since getting this new trash can. I clean this thing in and out every single time I change out the trash. I don't know why, I just feel like it's so satisfying to know that my trash can is clean. Is anybody else like that, or is that just me? And then I'm just gonna go in with my Caldre spray. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I get it off of the Grove Collaborative website. I love the way it smells, and I'm gonna clean off my table using that. And then I'm going to sweep and mop in my kitchen as well.
How can I compare thee when no one ever could come close? Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do. Comes close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you.
So moving into the living room, it was surprisingly pretty clean in here, and if you guys have been around here for a while, that is like amazing. My living room is always trashed, but I had cleaned the day prior, and so there wasn't a whole lot to clean this day. So I'm just gonna go in and pick up the couple blankets and random things we have lying around.
Oh, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. When I close my eyes now, like I got your smile going on repeat. You're the star of my movie, but now it's done, still stuck in my seat. Ain't getting off easy, like I'm doing time yet without parole. Got me flirting with disaster, but I'm all in, gotta go for gold. So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things.
I'm also going to be wiping off my TV stand. Again, just using that Cowdray spray. It smells so good. It's in the sea salt scent and it just makes the house smell so fresh and clean. And then I am going to go in with my Swiffer duster and wipe off the ladder shelf and the little entryway cubby shelf thing that I have going on in the corner of my living room. Just making everything look nice and tidy and putting things back where they belong. And while I'm doing that, I wanted to check in with my people and ask you guys how you're doing, how you're holding up. Is there anything that I can pray for? Is there anything that you need to talk about? I just want you guys to know that I'm here for you. If you need a friend or an ear, just DM me on Instagram or comment down below. I'd be more than happy to pray over you or just talk to you as a friend.
But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out.
So moving upstairs into my master bedroom, I'm gonna start by making my bed. And I am so excited, you guys, because I'm gonna be completely redoing my master bedroom. I got all the things to make this so cute for under $200, and I'm gonna film it for you guys and share it with you. It is budget friendly. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So make sure you have your notifications bell turned on so you don't miss that upload. I'm hoping to have it up the week of May 11th, but I will let you know for sure when it will go up.
I wanna drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this.
So now that the bed is made, I'm just going to pick up the couple of things that might be on the floor, and then I'm going to dust off our blinds and all of the surfaces in the bedroom. And again, I'm just using that Swiffer duster thing. I love this thing. I use it on everything. I swap in and out between this and then just using a microfiber towel and some dusting spray, and I just love it.
I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be.
So now I'm just gonna really quickly fold and put away this little pile of clothes that I had in this bin that had been sitting in the corner of my bedroom for a week now, and it just needed to get done. So I'm gonna do that really quickly, and then I'm gonna finish off by vacuuming.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So before moving on to my kids' bedrooms, I am just going to grab all of the sheets off the bed and all of the laundry and run downstairs and start a load. That way the sheets are nice and clean for when I go and clean up their rooms.
I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So now it is a little bit later in the day when I'm straightening up their rooms, and I'm going to start in Barrett's room. Barrett is my 3-year-old son, and I usually have him clean up his room, but whenever I'm filming, I let him off the hook. But on most days, I will have him wake up and clean his room if it is messy, and then he will clean it again before he goes to bed. So I'm just going to quickly pick everything up, put all the toys away, make it nice and tidy in here, and then I'm going to be making his bed as well. And I will say, I'm not going to be vacuuming either one of my kids' rooms because my husband actually did this last night when I had filmed this, and I didn't really see the point, so I do skip that step.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
So before I head into Savannah's room, I am just going to stock some wipes. I was really disappointed because they didn't have the Target brand wipes in stock near me, and those are my favorite, so I had to stick with Pampers, and to be honest, I'm not really a fan, but they do smell pretty good.
I watch you as you sleep.
So in Savannah's room, I'm just going to be making her bed and putting her sheets back on and just kind of tidying up in here. To be honest, her room doesn't really get all that messy. She's only 1 and doesn't really spend a whole lot of time in here other than nap and bedtime. So it does make it easy to clean her room. And then when I'm done with that, I am just going to fold and put some clothes away. I had this little load of towels that needed to get folded, so I'm gonna do that and finish off in the kids' bedrooms.
Together, if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know?
So the last room that I'm going to be cleaning in this video is my master bathroom, and I'm not going all crazy like I said in this video. I'm basically just going to clean up the vanity, put everything back where it belongs, and then I'm going to take a Clorox wipe and clean it all off. And y'all, I've had a heck of a time trying to find any disinfecting anything. I'm sure you guys can relate. So lately I've kind of had to stick to wipes. I can't really find any of the sprays, but that's all right. And we're making do with what we got.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be.
So once I am done wiping down the vanity, I will clean the toilet and just kind of make everything look nice and clean in here. Again, just putting everything back where it belongs.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this all day clean with me. I hope that y'all enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done in your home. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking.